Hello viewers, continuing on the topic the art of happiness, I am putting certain points which are very essential for happy life. Today I will be discussing the goal of human life. What is the real goal of human life? Vivekananda says, carving divinity in man, which is already inside human being, is the real aim of life. And according to him, as our personality develops, our happiness also increases in the same proportion. So your happiness is the index of your personality. Now, I will be explaining about the modern generation who is mad after money. Being a professional astrologer, so many what is called computer professionals come to me. Sir, I am getting double off that work which I was getting earlier. But see, my boss is not good and the timing of it is more tiring. This is the problem. So, when we become mad after money, we forget rest of the things of our life. And it is really said, truly said rather, कि mental peace everybody wants, but nobody gets, because we do not think the proportion of the things in our life. Money is the means of life, it is not the end of life. Now, second thing which attracts our youth is the power. Mostly IAS, IPS, so many IPS again come. No, I'm not going to join my job. I will try for my IAS, and they take leave. And when they become an IAS, I have seen that if they are honest, then their life is peaceful. And if they start making money, they spend time in jail also, in health problem, all these things attack them and they are most restless. Yes, the facilities that they enjoy is enjoyed by their family. Ministers also, they get power and in the rest of their life they spend in jail if they do something mischievous. I would like to give an spiritual example about Ravan. वेद ज्ञान उत्तम कुल पाया, फिर भी रावण असुर कहलाया. Ravan was a demon king. He had good knowledge of Vedas and he was a Brahmin family. And he was a king, no dearth of money and power. But again, people decry him. He says he was a demon, he was a Rakshas. So, character building should be the motto of our life. And that's why our Indian literature in Vedas, there are two types of knowledge. One is Vidya and other is Avidya. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, geology, all these science, they are Avidya because they give the knowledge of worldly thing. But they are, yes, through them you can earn bread for your life, but that is not everything. Sa Vidya Vimukta, and Vidya means the power of prayer, meditation, all these things are in Vedas and they make your life really meaningful. So don't be mad after money. Kabir said, साईं इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुम समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं साधु न भूखा जाए. Kabir also says, "Oh Lord, give me that much of that so that I may survive and I may entertain my guests also." That is much. More money is burden. So, in final analysis, I will say there is too much of your luggage that makes your journey difficult. And so is the case with your life journey. Yes, collect money, but don't be mad after that. And in the last conclusion, I will say money is the means of life. It is not the end of your life. Thank you very much.